In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch videos on your Apple Watch. First of all, go to your iPhone and open the Message app. Open any conversation. In Message conversation, you have to send YouTube link. You can just type youtube.com and then send the YouTube link to the conversation. Now go to your Apple Watch, press the crown. From your app library, open the Message app. And in Message app, you have to scroll down and find out the exact conversation. Open the conversation. In the conversation, find out the youtube.com link that you just sent it from your iPhone. So here we can see the youtube.com, just opening it. And you directly jump into YouTube on your Apple Watch browser. And here you can search for a video by tapping on search YouTube. Funny videos, and here search for the keyword, and here we can see the search results for the keyword. Now let's open a random video. Now you can just go ahead and tap the video you want to watch, and then you can easily watch the video on your Apple Watch.